Hello Glam Bugs, it's me Gigi. Let's go ahead and make something cute today. We're going to start with this Gelixir Black. It's 089 if you're looking by numbers. And two of them are going to be that cute Model 1's color. It's a number that will be listed below because I don't have it in my head. But it's a pretty cream with sort of a pinkish tone to it. Now what I've got on the palette there is some cat eye polishes, gel polishes. They're by Lanfo, and again, there's numbers to these and they will be listed in the doobly-doo. If you are a nerd fighter, you know what that means. Wow, my allergies are crazy today, so any involuntary sniffles that you may hear, I really am sorry about that. So as I was getting into this set and making them, I really wished I had done another color besides black as the background for the leaves, because the colors that I have in Cat Eye are pretty dark. Maybe I could have tried mixing with that one that I have that's clear, that's what is the term? Oh, holographic silver. It's holographic silver. And maybe we'll revisit this set at a later date and use that technique, because I really like how they look, but I must say they read better with your actual eyes than with the camera. So, and I'm sorry about the fuzziness right here. I thought I had the camera far enough away to not, you know, stop focusing correctly. My focus problems remind me of a specific YouTuber who always turns orange in her videos and she has to make it refocus. If you know who that is, Raw Beauty Christie, she's funny and awesome. I really have been watching more of her farm content lately and not so much her, I'm not even sure if she's doing makeup content right now. Maybe she is, but I've sort of fallen off on the makeup content, but I like her farm content. Her and her husband and their baby have a cute farm, and they're doing farmy things, and I feel very inspired by that. I could see myself having long nails and still being a farmer. I could see that happening. So I'm just playing with the leaf shape and making all of the magnetic bits flip in there and get shiny, curing all of that up, and then we're gonna do on these creamy colored ones sort of a stripy situation. It's almost a plaid, but I don't know if you'd really call it a plaid. I don't know if there's another word for it. Maybe plaid's the only word that fits, but it's really just that one stripe down that I'm making now, and then a couple of horizontal stripes. So you tell me in the comment section below, what would you call this as we continue going on. I'm struggling, as you can see, to flip these on this little stripe. It does not seem to want to do it, so what I ended up doing is just letting it be what it wanted to be. And then I did sort of ombre it a little so that it's a little darker at the top and the shimmer is more toward the bottom. I don't know if that's going to read on camera at the end, because what I was focusing on was trying to get the look of the leaves. And here I'm just doing the leaf veining. Is that the right term? That's what it looks like to me. So I'm just making my little stripes. I'm really just making super thin outline stripes right now, if you want to call them that. It's just thin little black lines. And then we're also going to outline the large stripe there, the wider stripe, if you will. But before we do that, while that's curing, let's go ahead and do this pinky nail, which is just going to have its own thing. We're just going to cat eye it, but with that starburst pattern you get when you put the two magnets together. I love that look. I think it's so beautiful, and it looks really pretty with that gold color. gold color that we have in this set. Now on this one, we're doing the larger stripes here as with that deeper green color. And I am not going to do any magnetic treatment to these. I'm just going to leave them the way that they look. I think it's super pretty, and it makes everything else sort of pop, right? Because this is a little more quiet, a little more, I want to say sedate, but maybe that's not the right word. I'm struggling with my language today, you guys. I had a hard time getting this finished. I'm honestly struggling a little with being back to doing videos. But I'm focused and motivated. I really am excited about the channel. I want to really start looking for new ways to express myself with you guys and to express my art. So, you know, join me on this journey as you have been for the last few years. I really do appreciate you guys being here. Having you as one of my friends here on the channel, it's awesome. It's awesome when you're here. So thank you so much for showing up. Putting a few gold gems here because I just feel like that color adds to the warmth of this set, and this is a very warm set. It's very, very beautiful, lots of shimmer, lots of gold, but it's also not in your face. Like, those leaves are subtle, y'all, and that's going to cause people to go, wait, what was that flash of glitter that I just saw? Let me see those nails. These are gorgeous. I love this set. I think you see the leaves a little better in a couple of the pictures at the end of the video, so definitely stick around for those reveal shots. You see it pretty well right here. This is the finished set. I love these. I hope you love them as well. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I can't wait to get to the 500 subscriber giveaway. We are going to see you later in the week for more awesome stuff. Mwah! Bye-bye.